Hey there, I wanted to set this video up. It is about Dr. A.H. Montgomery. He was a well-known, well-loved local doctor in the Tishomingo County area through 1950, I guess, or beyond. He died in 1963, but most of his life he practiced medicine in Burnsville, delivered thousands of babies. Well-known doctor, well-loved, well-respected. And I'm going to do a little story about him. I hope you enjoy it. And if you're from the area, I'm sure you know someone that knows him. My dad actually would talk about this man when he was growing up. He knew of him, and he made house calls. Anyway, hope you enjoy this video.
Meet Dr. Arlander Houston Montgomery, affectionately known as Uncle Doc. He devoted more than 50 years to the practice of medicine in Northeast Mississippi and Northwest Alabama, becoming one of the most respected country physicians of his generation. Arlander Houston Montgomery was born on March 13, 1874, near Red Bay in Franklin County, Alabama, and grew up in the rural South during the years following Reconstruction. Determined to pursue medicine at a time when the profession was becoming more formally trained and regulated, he attended the University of Tennessee Medical School in Memphis and graduated in 1911. In June of 1912, he traveled to Jackson to take the licensing examination administered by the Mississippi State Board of Health. That year, 87 applicants sought medical licenses, but only 43 successfully passed the rigorous examination. Dr. Montgomery was among those who earned high marks and received his license, placing him within a select group who met the state's professional standards. Soon afterward, he established his practice in Burnsville, Mississippi, in Tishomingo County, the community that would remain his professional home for the rest of his life. Dr. Montgomery was born to John Crawford Montgomery and Mary Elizabeth Allen Montgomery. His father, John, was born in Lawrence County, Alabama, on February 24, 1842, and lived to the age of 81 before passing away in Tishomingo County, Mississippi, on June 15, 1923. His mother, Mary Elizabeth, was a native of Itawamba County, Mississippi, born on December 19, 1846. She lived to be 80 years old, passing away on August 13, 1927, also in Tishomingo County. Both parents lived long enough to see their son graduate from medical school in 1911 and establish his decades-long medical practice in the county, where they spent their final years. In 1901, he married Mary Gober, and their daughter Mary Celeste was born in 1908. Tragedy struck in 1918 when his wife Mary died of kidney disease. The same year, the devastating influenza pandemic swept across the world. In September of that year, at age 44, Dr. Montgomery registered for the World War I draft in Tishomingo County. His registration card described him as tall and stout with blue eyes and auburn hair, and noted that he was in good physical condition. Although he was not called into military service, his role as a rural physician was critical during the influenza outbreak. He made countless house calls along rough country roads, tending to the sick, comforting families, and serving as a steady presence during one of the deadliest health crises in modern history. In 1919, he married Mabel Montgomery, who remained his faithful partner throughout his later years. Together, they built a family life that supported his demanding profession. For decades, Dr. Montgomery embodied the traditional country doctor, first traveling by horse and buggy and later by automobile to reach isolated farms and homes. He delivered babies, treated injuries and infections, managed chronic illnesses, and provided comfort in an era before antibiotics and modern hospital care were widely available. His career spanned remarkable medical advancements, from the pre-antibiotic period through the introduction of sulfa drugs and penicillin, yet he never abandoned the personal compassionate care that defined his work. On March 12, 1961, friends, former patients, and neighbors gathered to express their gratitude for decades of devoted service. The outpouring of respect reflected the lasting bond he had formed with the people he served. Dr. Montgomery passed away on October 10, 1963, at the age of 89 in Tishomingo County. His life stands as a testament to dedication, resilience, and genuine compassion to generations in Burnsville and the surrounding region. Uncle Doc was more than a physician. He was a trusted neighbor and an enduring part of the community's history. Let's remember him for his compassion and contributions. Rest in peace, Uncle Doc.